Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I just got back from Walmart. Guys, I couldn't show you the in-store video because as I was filming, my phone died. I got to get this phone checked out because for some reason it's telling me it's charged, but then as soon as I start videotaping, my battery dies. So I don't know what's going on. But anyways, I was able to get some really good deals to show you guys some new deals too. I mean, Walmart has been popping all week long. I think this is like my third video for the week. I was able to complete all 36 or 38, however many bonuses it was for the May bonus thing for $10. I was able to complete Weekend Warrior. I was able to complete the midweek. I got a lot of bonuses this week, guys. So if you are not a member of Ibotta, if you have not downloaded Ibotta, please do so because you are missing out on a lot of money. Guys, the money that I save with Ibotta, I just keep recycling that money over and over and over again to keep paying for my coupon things. That's why, that way I'm not putting any money out of my own pocket or money that I would have spent on other things. Just keep recycling the money over and over. That is a huge key to saving and couponing, and especially if you are on a budget. So guys, I'm not going to rant over that. I'm going to get off my soapbox, but what I am going to do is put my code here for Ibotta. So go ahead and download Ibotta. We can help each other save and help each other reach different goals and different rebates. So go ahead, download Ibotta, use my code, and let's get ready to save. Okay, guys, so before we get into the deal, as always, I need you to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if there are any of these deals that you plan on doing, any of these products that you like. If you've already done some of these deals, please comment below or just comment and say hi, and let me know some of the deals that you'd like me to do. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so and click the bell next to it. That way you will get a notification every time I put up a new video and you won't miss out on any of the savings. So guys, make sure that you have your inserts because there are some insert coupons you're going to need. Make sure that you downloaded Ibotta and you've clicked the rebates before you submit your receipt, and get your phones out so that you can take some screenshots and take some notes. So let's get started, guys. So our first deal is on the Luigi's Italian Ice. Woo! This is a deal that I've never done before. Actually, I've never seen this rebate in Ibotta, but that doesn't mean that it's never been there before because I'm not an Ibotta expert. But I was excited to see it, and it is $2.87 in the store. There is a $1 coupon in your insert, so that's going to bring it down to $1.87 at the register. But then you also have the Ibotta. Okay, so the Ibotta rebate is going to be $1. So that means you're going to end up paying 87 cents for the Luigi's Real Italian Ice. Guys, I think that's an excellent deal, especially with the weather coming up, the hot weather in the summer months, and it's a good treat for the kiddos. So go ahead and grab that. And the next item that I got was the Natural Choice Hormel chicken, the roasted chicken lunch meat, which was $2.98. And I got $1.50 rebate back for that. So that meant I paid $1.48 out of pocket. The next thing is the Purdue chicken breast. Now, guys, with the Purdue chicken, you can get chicken breast, chicken wings, thighs, drumsticks, whatever you want to get. The other day, I got the chicken drumstick. So today, I decided to get the boneless, skinless chicken breast. And those were $6.44. And I saved $1.25 with the Ibotta rebate on that. So that's an excellent price because very rare do you get coupons for the chicken, especially Purdue. Sometimes we get an any item coupon, but this time we actually got the Purdue rebate. So go ahead and grab that. That is a good deal also. Then this is a new deal that I found, the Campho-Phenique. This actually came out on my app. I think it was Saturday. But the Campho-Phenique, you can get the green pack or the orangey yellow pack. Totally up to you which one you want to get. But it was $3.98. We're just going to round that up to $4. And then you're going to use the $1.50 insert coupon. So that's going to bring that down to $2.50. But then there is a $1.50 Ibotta rebate. So for $1.50. So then that's going to bring it down to $1 that you're going to pay for the Campho-Phenique. Excellent price for that. That's like paying 1/4 of the price. And so the next thing is going to be the Pro Partial toothpaste. The Pro Partial toothpaste was $5.97. We're just going to round that up to $6. Then the Pro Partial mouthwash was also $5.97. We're going to round that up to $6. And the Pro Partial foam was $5.97. So we're going to have 3 items of the Pro Partial that we're going to round up to $6. So 6 times 3 is $18. Now, the coupon that I used was the $5 off 3 products. Now, guys, you can either print this coupon off of coupons.com or you can get it out of the insert. There are also $1.50 coupons that you can use both on coupons.com as well as in your inserts. But if you use 3 $1.50 coupons, that's only $4.50 off that you're going to get. So the best value is to use the $5 coupon. So if you use the $5 coupon, whether you get it out of coupons.com or out of your insert, that's going to be $13 that you're going to pay at the register. But when you submit this to Ibotta, you're going to submit for 3 different rebates, and each of those rebates are worth $2. So that's another $6 off. So by the time you submit your coupons and your Ibotta rebates, you're only going to pay $7 for all 3 of these products. Guys, I definitely say that is a good deal. Now, I also redeemed these rebates the other day when I went to Walmart, and then they put them right back into my app. But either way, you can do it at Walmart. You can do it at Rite Aid. It's totally up to you which way you want to do it. I did it first at Rite Aid because I was getting bonus cash, and I basically got like a $2 moneymaker the first time I did it. But this time I didn't, which is fine with me. So then my next item, which is another new item, were the Ocean Spray Craisins. Now, they were $2.64, but there were 2 rebates attaching to those. First, let me say this, guys. I'm not sure if there's a coupon out or not for the Craisins. You can check. I was running late, so I didn't have time to check because Walmart was about to close. But you can check your inserts. There may be an insert coupon. I'm not sure, but it is attaching to 2 rebates, and that is the 25-cent crayon raisins rebate and also the any dried fruit rebate for 10 cents. So that's actually going to be 35 cents off. So you're going to pay about $2.30 for these Craisins. Now, I know that's not a lot of money off, but if you're trying to reach a goal and trying to get your rebates so that you can get bonuses, that's a quick way to get 2 actual bonuses with 1 item. And then, guys, like I said, I needed 12 rebates, so that helped me reach my bonus. Plus, I got the any item rebate on any receipt, which helped me. So then the next one is the Jergens Lotion, and that is $3.48. Now, guys, I went to Walmart on the 30th and did this, so the coupon expired on the 29th. So there are no coupons out that I know of for this. So I didn't have a coupon, so I just paid $3.48 at the register, but then I used the Ibotta dollar rebate, so really I only paid $2.48 out of pocket. And then my last item is the Crayon Apple Ocean Spray Juice, and that is $2.78, and there's a $1 Ibotta rebate for that. Now, guys, you don't have to get cran apple. You can get just about any flavor. I scanned like 8 or 9 different flavors because this is like my 4th time doing this deal. They keep giving it back to me, and I just keep doing it because Ocean Spray is a juice that I drink all the time. So whether it's a coupon or not, I'm going to get it as long as there is a rebate in Ibotta, and I don't care if I have 20 Ocean Spray juices, I'm still going to get it because it's going to save me $1. So guys, as you can see with my receipt, I paid $35.58 for all of this, and we do have some high price items. So I'm going to go ahead and submit my receipt to Ibotta and let you see what that looks like. And just to let you know, I did reach my 12 item limit, so I am going to get the $10 back for the May flowers bonus. I'm going to get the $3 back for the weekend warrior, and then I also get the extra bonus for the natural choice. So as I go over my receipt, you will see that I got $29.20 from Ibotta, and I will show you what my Ibotta rebate and rewards look like. Okay, guys, so I am back home, and I have submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and here is the results. So as you can see from my receipt, my total was $35.58. Here, I'll actually put that on here. So here's the Italian ice. There's the $1 for the Italian ice coupon. The turkey lunch meat, which was $2.98. I'm not sure what that is, for $6.44. The Camphor Finique, which was $1.50 for the coupon. Then you have the Pro Partial, the Craisins, the Jergens, the Cran Apple. That was the chicken. That was $6.44. So my total was $35.58. We're not going to talk about tax. So after I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, I got back a total of $29.20. So that left me paying $6.38 out of pocket. So there is the $1 for the Luigi's Italian ice. Then I got 10 cents back for any item. $1.50 for the Hermel lunch meat. $1.25 for the Purdue chicken. $1.50 for the Camphor Finique. $2 for the Polident toothpaste. $2 for the Polident mouthwash. $2 for the Polident rinse. 25 cents for the Ocean Spray Craisins. And 10 cents for the Craisins, because 2 rebates actually attached to those. So you actually get a total of 35 cents for that. $1 back for the Jergens, $1 back for the Ocean Spray. And then because I collected those 12 rebates, I reached my weekend warrior bonus, which gave me $5. And I reached my May flower bonus, which gave me $10. And then I completed the natural choice bonus for 50 cents. That's when you buy 2 natural choice products on 2 different transactions. So that is a total of $29.20, which left me paying $6.38 out of pocket. I say that's a very good haul, especially with me having some expensive items. Like the chicken was $6.44. You have each of the Polidents that were $5.97. The Jergens was $3.48, and I didn't have a coupon for that. My coupon had expired yesterday. And then the Craisins were $2.78. The lunch meat was $2.98. So we have some very pricey items in this haul. So for it to only be $6.38 out of pocket is excellent. So guys, go out, hit Walmart up, get your lunch meat, get your chicken, get your snacks, the Craisins, get your Jergens, get your Cran apple or any flavor Ocean Spray that you want to get. But my favorite rebate of all on this whole entire receipt is the Luigi's Italian Ice. So I got the red, white, and blue. I'm not sure what flavor you like to get, but you know, try whatever flavor you want, and don't forget your coupon out of the paper. And guys, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what deals that you plan on going to do. Let me know if you've done any of these deals. And as always, keep on saving.